Hello everyone. Welcome to Ruediger Hats Care, where we will discuss what to do if your hat is not the right size. Here's how to use a hat tape. Step 1. Identify the fit issue. Determine where the hat is too loose. If your head is longer, you may need to add reducers to the sides. If your head is rounder, you might need to add them to the back. Step 2. Trim and place the reducer. Cut the size reducer to the appropriate length and place it inside the hat. Make sure to position it above the sweatband where it contacts the hat, allowing the sweatband to fold smoothly over it. Step 3. Proper attachment. Attach the size reducer to the hat itself, not the sweatband, to avoid wrinkles. You can cut the reducer into smaller pieces for precise adjustments as needed. When you receive your hat, if it's a bit too big, you can follow these steps using a size reducer. Before permanently attaching it, experiment with different placements to achieve the perfect fit. If you have more questions, please contact me through ruedigerhats.com. Thanks for watching, and until next time, continue to enjoy your hat life.